Hello guys, welcome on this particular reading. This is Shreya Khanna. I'm gonna do this past life reading for you. I'm gonna check who were you in past life, what happened, and see there are different multiple reasons why someone checks a past life reading. But I hope you receive what you're expecting, and God gives you something to resolve your past life question that is coming to your mind, coming in thoughts to you. Okay, so this is guys, this is Shreya Khanna. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the notification bell icon. In case you want to book your private readings, you can book it with me on WhatsApp, and the number is given in the description box below. All right, one more thing guys, I am on Instagram and I am on YouTube only. No other channel. Both the channels are at Shreya Khanna. No other channels are there. Okay, let's just see. You can also DM me on Instagram if you like to. Okay, for the readings. So who you were in your past life, like this video. Who you were in past life. Okay, guys, take a deep breath and say Om for 3 times. Om. 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 God, please tell me who was my collective in their past life. God, please tell me who was my collective in their past life. God, please tell me who was my collective in their past life. This is strength. This is Eight of Pentacles. First two cards are number 8. You have infinite. Yes, it is telling me that yes, you have a past life. Okay, this is number 10 of Cups. Okay, it could be your 8th life, or you had 8 lives before, or it could be your 10th life. Okay, this is the Moon card. This is your 8th life. Guys, the Moon card is coming as number 18. So yeah, it is 8, 9, or yeah, this is your 9th life. It is coming 9th life. Okay, this is 3 of Wands. This is 5 of Cups. The Star energy. Okay. 6 of Pentacles. Page of Wands. God, please tell me who was my collective in their past life. What happened? 2 of Swords. What happened? And why do they want, what exactly they want to know? Ace of Swords. What do they want to know? 9 of Swords. The Hermit card. Page of Swords. The Hanged Man. 6 of Wands. Okay, so guys, let me just see Page of Cups. Okay, so guys, I have received Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, I have received Scorpio in very very much. Okay, this could be your sign. I have received Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I have received Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and I have received Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Almost all signs are covered here. Number 8, number 10, number 17 is number 8 also. Number 17, okay. Number 3, number 2, number 6, number 18, number 5, number 12, number 6, number 9. These are the numbers that I've been receiving. Okay, almost all signs are there. Scorpio is very strong. Aquarius is very strong. Leo is very strong in here. Okay, now who you were in your past life. You could be, you could be a person who this is giving me something of a housewife. This is giving me of situation where, so there are two different situations that I see. First, I'll tell you start at the starting. This is infinite sign to your life. Okay, you have lived infinite times. Okay, this could be your ninth or eighth birth. Okay, now you could be doing some kind of, in the past you used to wear something in the white. Okay, something in the white is very peculiar, something golden is very peculiar. Some of you were, you know you know some of you died really young. I don't know why, but some of you died really young, and some of you left your married life. So in case you feel like not getting married in this particular lifetime, there is some kind of, you in your past life you started to live for the divine, and that's your very first card. You started to live for the divine. You left your marriage, something that is coming up. Okay, so some of you could be, in your families, and some of you were very happy and you died old. Okay, this there is different to this. Let's just see what I'm receiving with these cards. Divine is very strong, guys. Number 12, number 8 is very strong. You guys have lived your life for the divine. You guys could be a shaman in your past life. You guys could have been in martial arts. Yeah, divine is very strong here. Divine is very strong here. Some of you could be, some of you were politicians in your last life, and actors. Politicians and actors. Plus, there is something coming in as, you were very, high charactered. Your character was very high. Okay, and people knew that you are a respected person. Okay, now you could have, written books in your past life. I don't know why I'm getting that, but you, in your past life, you believed in equal give and take. Okay, you did a lot of charity. You learned a lot of lessons. Okay, in your past life, see, let me show you this. Look at these two cards. In your past life, you have worked on your fears. In your past life, you have worked on, the stars also. In your past life, there was this divine connection, this spiritual connection you had in your past life, right? Some of you, some of you just, there is this feeling. Okay, let me tell you this, how one person dies and everything gets over. This is 8-8, right? How a person dies and everything is just over. Okay, there your soul is completely free. I just feel like your soul is completely free from your past life also. Okay, so some of you died and you did not even realize. Okay, and then there was a new birth, there was a new rebirth to you. Okay, and I just feel that some of you are, carrying some kind of traumas in from your past life. Okay, in case you are someone who has worked on yourself in the past life, on your fears. Okay, there is nothing as traumas to you, but for some of you there are traumas from your past life, and it could be family traumas. Okay, it could be that, you wanted to be with some kind of person and you couldn't be with them. So there is this person that I'm feeling, that you have taken a birth to be with someone. Okay, you've taken a birth to be with someone. Okay, there are different scenarios, by the way. Some of you died young. Okay, there is a particular situation where you were taken away from your parents. You could be a girl in your past life. You were taken away from your parents, and uh, you know they never found you. You died very young. Some of you, I don't know, but this could be a trauma. This could be, this could have taken you on a different ride in this particular life, and God is giving you, this this thing to remember that when I mean, I don't know why I'm getting this, but you could be, someone like a Mother Teresa in your past life, and this is more like where you were right. So this is coming as two past life for someone. Okay, in one of your past lives, you were abducted from your parents, or something happened. They never found out you. Okay, and then you were killed or something like that. Okay, or left, yeah, killed basically. Okay, now this is a very very much to get on, but there are a lot of people. This is a general reading. Okay, this is a timeless general reading. Please take only how it resonates, and there, that's not gender specific, but what is coming, I'm telling you. Okay, now in the next life, you became someone who helped and saved other women, or maybe other children, or maybe other animals. You could be animal lover even now. It could signify that. Okay, but then in this particular time, this is your two past lives. This is not even your now life, or maybe it could be now, but there is your two past lives that I'm talking about before this particular life. Okay, so yeah, so this was something that you have always been in touch with the divine. You've always been there is a connection to the stars. There is a particular connection to the stars. Maybe it's an ancestor thing, that your ancestors are protecting you. Maybe it's something that that you had a past life, and something like that. I think you are a seer. Some of you are seers. Okay, seers are very very strong. You guys are here to continue to do something as your soul purpose. Okay, there is a very strong spiritual connection that I see for you guys. Okay, um it's more like your masters. You could have been an ascended master in your past life also, and this is why in this lifetime you are still going on and you're not stopping. This is why there is an infinite to um your wisdom. I just feel wisdom is very strong in here. Okay, guys, you could have been speakers in your past life. You could have been actors in your past life. um this is musicians, or maybe you sung. It is actually something to give wisdom to. This is more about wisdom. Okay, some of you were very um you know you were craftsmen. Okay, you were artists, you were magicians in your past life, but it was a stage show. You could have been doing a stage show in your past life, right? And there was like some kind of, every time you could have been an empath also. Okay, for some of you, you were an empath. Okay, guys, because this is a general reading for a very, like, for different kind of people. So in case you want to get your own past life reading, it will be very specific to you. Okay, just WhatsApp me and book your personal reading. The number is given in the description box below. You can book another readings with me also for your future also. Okay, I don't know, you have this connection with birds in your past. This, there is sea. I mean, I don't know if you see the sea. I have had this deck for so long, guys, and I saw the sea just now. Today I saw this sea and these mountains in the sea. Do you see that? There is a sea and a mountain to your past life situation. There is a desert also. Okay, so yeah, I was saying to you, every single time in your past life, there was this burden, there was this heaviness on you. You could never realize who you were. Okay, when I see the star card, there are the stars. Okay, um I told you that you have been an empath person. You have been feeling for other people very strongly. In your past, this is relating to something related with the sea very strong, something related to sky very strong. Okay. And there is something related to, yeah, strength is coming. Your solar plexus was very strong. Trust me, guys, if in this lifetime your solar plexus has been, on point, you have a gut feeling, you have intuition, strong intuition, your solar plexus was really, really strong. Your roots are strong. This is why your roots are strong. Just look at that. You keep working. Even in this lifetime, you keep working. You don't stop, okay? Because you have worked a lot on your intuition. You have worked a lot on your gut feeling, on because you're an empath and you could never realize like who you were, right? So this is why you I see you finding answers in every lifetime. So you are a seer. Yeah, look at that. You are a seer. You find answers in every single lifetime. Some of you were placed abroad. You went abroad. I'm telling you, there's a specific sea and a sky connection. You could have been gone abroad for something, or you could have been, living abroad. If you are, let's say you are placed in a particular country right now, you could have been from a different country in your past life. Look at that. Abroad, abroad, abroad. There are so many cards of abroad. There is something to do with the sky. There is something to do with the sea. It's where it communicates very clearly with, in case you have a fear of water or height, this could be, telling you something. See, you don't have fear from, you are someone, you don't have fear from animals, or maybe the bigger animals, the cheetah, the leopard, or the lions. You don't fear them. What you actually fear is, maybe a relationship, maybe drowning, or maybe falling. Something with the drowning and falling is coming. Okay, I'm not saying that you drowned or fall in your, yeah, you could, in your past life you would also be like, you're carrying some kind of traumas in your this lifetime. And moreover, you could feel like your heart is a box, right? And your body is a box, and you're like fixated and you're not able to move. So some of you are carrying your traumas. I just tell you that that's not your energy. You need to get rid of some of your traumas. You need to get rid of your fear specifically, and you need to know who you are. You have good. So for a very long time, at least for 3 lifetimes, you have been a seer. You have worked on your soul a lot, guys. You have worked on your family a lot. So you could be living with your soulmates from the past life. They could be your family members, father, mother, sister, neighbor. They could be really your soulmates. You are living with your soulmates from your past life, and there is some kind of, you know I just want to say that you have chosen some of your family members to live with, right? This is very strong. You're working on yourself. You have chosen your family members to live with, even in this lifetime, right? It's giving me like you were separated from your family in your past lifetime. You could not find them. Something with separation from your family also happened. You could not find them, and this time you have chosen them to be your family because you couldn't be with them. Okay, yeah, this is coming on very strong, very strong, very strong. Okay. um yeah, guys, so this is what I'm getting. Okay. This is what I'm getting. You have been an empath person from your past life. You've been a healer. You've been working on your soul. You've been finding answers. And right now, I'm giving you some kind of guidance. Okay, the first guidance is coming that first of all, please release all of your traumas. Okay, in case there are any, release your traumas. Do a past life, healing. Okay, maybe you can get it from me, but do a past life healing so that you there is an unconscious and subconscious mind. I'm getting see a lot. I'm getting see a lot. There is a box, there is a sea. You feel like you were trapped, you are trapped, or there is some kind of a trapped emotion that you have. Okay, right. Guys, get your healings. Okay, in case you feel trapped, literally this is coming from your past life. Okay, right. And yeah, let me see, there is a seven of pentacles. Okay, I told you. Okay, there is some kind of guidance coming for you. Seven of cups. What is the guidance for my viewers for this reading? The devil. You could have a beard in your past life. I don't know why I'm receiving that. But you were a known figure. There is King of Swords. Okay, there is Nine of Wands. Right. There is the Lovers. I told you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what your guidance is coming. This is where I close the reading, giving you the guidance. Some of you have your family members as not very great human beings. Okay, that's the devil card in relationship of money. Okay, this is where there is a cycle that needs to end with your family. See, some of you have chosen your family members for a good reason. Okay, this is 2222, but some of you have some kind of, your family members need to get away, lift their burden off of their chest to give something to you, right? So you own something, right? And that's what your family will give to you in this lifetime that they did not give to you before. Okay, now there is these two cards. Your family members, your father, your mother. Okay, you could have been feeling like some of you were orphans in your past life. Your parents left you after the birth. Something like that is coming for some of you. Okay, now you will receive something, like you also have to get some of your karmas attached with your family, or whosoever is your husband, wife, in-laws, or your own family. Okay, so there is some kind of karmas that are linked to your family, and you're working for that also. Okay, and there is more like you're working for your family's name in the money field, in the field of finances. You really want to get your family ahead of the finances, and you want to earn them respect. You're working for that. This is where I see these two cards. Some of you have been left by your families in the past life. Okay, and somebody chose somebody else over you. Somebody chose habits over you. Somebody chose materialism over you. Somebody chose other people. Somebody chose other children or spouses over you. Okay, now there is a very specific Lovers card with these cards. Okay, you are here for this lifetime. You are here to be with someone. Okay, I told you this very specifically also. You need to let go of the fears. Yes, exactly. The right cards are placed at the right places. You need to let go of the fears. Okay, and I see this very strong Ace of Cups card. God is with you. You are chosen from the divine to keep working on some things that you have been, doing the work, great work in your past lives. Okay, you are here to spread love, my friend. Whosoever you are watching this video, you are here to heal your, relationship with your spouse. If that person is your if that person is your ideal match, you are here to, love them. You are here to let the fears go. You are here to, get your wish fulfillment as your lovers. Gemini energy is very strong, Capricorn energy is very strong here. Okay, you need to let go of the fears that your person is giving you or maybe gave you in the past. You need to make sure that you are a lover. Okay, you are not somebody who is, who is fearful, who is giving yourself a lot of, I'm getting these two cards as a living in a box. Okay, if you feel your own home, if you feel your own body as living in a box, it is your past life problem. Okay, it is your past life traumas that you're carrying on. Okay, get out of it. Okay, get out of it, heal it. You're here to heal your relationship. You're here to heal your love situation. You're here to heal your heart, basically. Okay, I was getting hearts very strongly for you. Okay, now I just wanna, close this reading, but I hope you liked it, guys. I hope that this reading gave you some kind of insights or what you needed to know. Okay, okay, that was your reading. I close it. All right, give it a like, comment, share as much as you can, share with your friends, family as much as you can. Okay, and guys, one more thing, right? Subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon in case you want to book your healings, counselings, tarot card readings, guidance, remedies. Okay, get it from me, book it on WhatsApp. Number is given in the description box below. Okay, you can also do a DM on Instagram with the same name. It's Shreya Khanna. I'm not nowhere else. It's just the two ways that you can contact me directly. It's a WhatsApp and Instagram DM. Okay, I will be found nowhere else. So I hope that this brightens your day. I hope that you're working for your goals and you're happy and you are satisfied in life. Okay, a lots of love. Radhe Radhe to everyone. Bye bye, guys.